What's up, y'all? Late night noodle ramen. I have the I don't know how to use chopsticks anymore. I used to know how to use them. Back in the day, I have the udon noodles. And they are in a broth. This is the nangshin udon noodle soup. It's this one. So yum. And of course I'm adding chili crisp because you can't have too much of that. So I'm gonna wilt down my spinach. I do not know how to eat with these, y'all. So the package said, in fact, the package came with like a sauce pack. It came with a sauce pack, a flake pack, which smells like it had fish cakes in it, and the udon noodles. And you heat it up for 4 minutes. That's what the package said. And the broth has a really good flavor, especially after you add spicy chili. It has to be this brand. And I love chili garlic sauce. And I also have some umami crisp. And I put that in it also. And I'm the only one that uses these jars, so don't come for me. But all that mixed together makes the broth really yummy. Only thing, next time I'm gonna warm them up for only 3 minutes. Because I like my noodles chewy. And these are kind of soft. But they're so good. It's so good. Have y'all ever had a job that is so detrimental to your mental health? And what's crazy is I work a chat position and I do 2 chats at a time. It's just so stressful. It is so important. Even though lots of jobs are stressful, it is important to have. A job that doesn't take your soul every day. Like, literally drains your soul. This broth is so good. I'm smacking and slurping. Ain't your thing. You gotta scroll on, boo. By the way, there's no like meat in here. I think there's fish cakes. I think they're fish cakes. This broth is everything. Now, I will say, everything I add is high in salt. I have no high blood pressure issues. Because I don't eat this often. So good. I just wish the noodles were a little bit more chewy. A chili crisp. So fire. So much flavor. This is so good. If I would have felt like it, I would have put in some portobello mushrooms, some green onion. I did put some fried red onion in there. It's just holding my phone up. So I'm back, y'all, because I was struggling every day. And I had to put social media on a break. And sometimes it just be like that. I wish I could see this broth. So good. Yeah. Amazing. Now I can go to sleep. In about an hour. Hopefully. Love and light, y'all.